Okay, so now it's time for wonderful performance, guys. Give a huge round of applause for the beautiful Punjabi folk dance in front of you. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. And for that, I would like to call upon stage our group Punjabi dance. Everybody give a huge round of applause. ओके सो इतने वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंस के बाद मैं देख रही थी हमारी ऑडियंस काफ़ी एंजॉय कर रही थी सो सबसे पहले तो परफॉर्मेंस के बाद क्या रिएक्शन है ऑडियंस का हाँ जी भाई तालियों के साथ बता दो एवरीबॉडी कैसी लगी हमारी पंजाबी परफॉर्मेंस क्या बात है सब हमारी ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन देख के मुझे लग रहा है आप लोग एंजॉय भी कर रहे हो एंड लेकिन हमें अपना इवेंट भी हमें आगे ले चलना है तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं अगेन सो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के लिए मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी मिसेस अंजना पवार मैम को हाँ चीफ गेस्ट एज अ चीफ गेस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन स्टेज मिसेस अंजना पवार मैम डॉक्टर एडवोकेट चरणजीत सिंह चंद्रपाल सर डॉक्टर पूजा अवस्थी Ma'am, please come and join us on stage. Now now I would like to call upon stage Dr. Gurbhet Singh Dhillon. Sir, please come and join us on stage for the award distribution ceremony. And now award goes to Dr. Pooja Avasthi. Award देना है ना? As a chief guest, award goes to Dr. Pooja Avasthi. Ma'am, give a huge round of applause, everybody. We congratulate you, ma'am. Right now, we have on stage Dr. Pooja Avasthi. Round of applause, everybody. Thank you so much. We congratulate you, ma'am. Best wishes from our side. Dr. Rajbir Kaur. And now I would like to call upon stage for the next award, Dr. Rajbir Kaur Grewal. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Rajbir Kaur Grewal in the category of Education and Literature from Amritsar, Punjab. We congratulate you, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. Next is Dr. Gurdarshan Singh. Dr. Gurdarshan Singh, the Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Gurdarshan Singh in the category of Literature and Poetry from Patiala, Punjab. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. Dr. Gurdarshan Singh. And for that, I would like to call upon stage Indrapal Singh, sir. Can we have a round of applause, please? Give a huge round of applause for Dr. Indrapal Singh, sir. And next is Dr. Pradeep Kumar Mishra. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the yes, sir. Pradeep Kumar Mishra, है ना? हो गया था उनका अभी बोल अब मैं प्रदीप सर को करा के बोलती हूँ उन दोनों का. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Mishra in the category of Education from Prayagraj. Dr. Trilok Singh Dhillon. Can we have a round of applause, please? The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Trilok Singh Dhillon in the category of Literature from Patiala, Punjab. We welcome you, sir. Congratulations, sir. Sir, aram se, aram se. Can we have a round of applause, please? And next is Dr. Rajbir Kaur Grewal. हो गया? Okay then. Okay, Dr. Mahesh Saini. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Mahesh Saini in the category of Physiotherapy and Neurotherapy LMNT from Dwarka, New Delhi. Can we have a round of applause? And next is Dr. Kukil Sharma. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Kukil Sharma in the category of Fine Arts from Assam, Guwahati. Dr. Kukil Sharma. Can we have a round applause, please? We congratulate you, sir. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. And now Dr. Kukil Sharma. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. And next is Dr. Vijay Kumar Tripathi. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Vijay Kumar Tripathi in the category of Education from Prayagraj. Dr. Ravi. Next is Dr. Ravinder Singh Kang. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Ravinder Singh Kang in the category of Organizational Leadership and Social Work from Rajasthan. We welcome you, sir. We congratulate you, sir. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे सर के लिए. Everybody, give a huge round of applause. Ma'am. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं हमारे सर के लिए. And next is Dr. Ajay Kumar. Give a huge round of applause. The Legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Ajay Kumar in the category of Social Work from New Delhi. Give a huge round applause. Dr. Amarpal. Dr. Amarpal. The legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Amarpal in the category of Social Work from Sonipat, Haryana. We congratulate you, sir. Can we have a round applause, please? Give a huge round applause, everybody. And now, Dr. Reena Gupta. Dr. Reena Gupta. Can we have a huge round applause, everybody? The legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Reena Gupta in the category of Education from Noida. Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? We congratulate you, ma'am. We congratulate you, ma'am. With the round applause. And now the next award goes to Dr. Naresh Bairwa. The legendary Peace Award Council LPAC has decided to confer the Honorary Doctorate Awards 2025 to Dr. Naresh Bairwa in the category of Nursing, Practice, Medical, DNP from Rajasthan. Currently working in Government of Delhi. Can we have a huge round of applause? Right now, we have on stage Dr. Naresh Bairwa. Give a huge round of applause, everybody. तालियों के साथ. We congratulate you, sir. Yeah. Well, thank you, sir, ma'am. Please take your seats. And now it's time for some wonderful performance again. And for that, I would like to call upon stage our dance group for the wonderful and beautiful performance. Can we have a round of applause, please? We congratulate you, sir. Can we have a round of applause? जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार श्री सूर्यकांत भारद्वाज सर के लिए. To call upon stage Dr. Gurpreet Singh Dhillon, international astrologer and vastagar. Dr. Gurpreet Singh Dhillon, international astrologer and vastagar. Sir, please come and join us on stage. Can we have a round of applause, please? Thank you. Dr. Gurpreet Singh Dhillon, international astrologer and vastagar. Can we have a huge round of applause for Sir? Sir, we congratulate you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. इंद्रपाल सिंह सर. to call upon stage Dr. Ashish Ganguly sir, HR consultant, career and communication coach. आशीष सर अपनी मधुर आवाज हमें भी सुना जाइए. दो लाइंस हो जाएं सर. Now I would like to call upon stage Harman Kaur, Organization and Management. Himanshi, Harleen, Sakshi Bish, Nandini Rawal. Sakshi Bish, Nandini Rawal. Can we have a huge round of applause? They are the volunteers. Everybody, इनकी बहुत अच्छी मेहनत है and हमारी पूरी टीम की मेहनत है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सभी. आप सब ऑन स्टेज ही रुकिए एंड ग्रुप फोटो, इट्स अ ग्रुप फोटो टाइम. आप अपने अवार्ड्स एंड ट्रॉफीज लेके प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज एंड जॉइन अस फॉर द ग्रुप पिक्चर. ओके, volunteers are Harman, Himanshu, Harleen, Sakshi Bish, Nandini Rawal. We congratulate to all the wonderful volunteers and all the wonderful team. Can we have a huge round of applause, everybody? And now it's time for group photo. So आप सब अपना अपना award लेकर इधर आ जाए, स्टेज पर आ जाए for the group picture.